First off, let me get something going here. This is PLC. Let's see if this will work again. Capture over device. Let's go to QuickCam. None. Play. Is that working? Yes, it is, basically. So, sorry for this, but it is going to take me just a minute to get this up and running. So, I hope this works out better than my last 2 forays into this, but essentially now we have, maybe that's a little bigger, that. We have the RFID starter kit, and this is from SparkFun, OFun. And what that consists of is essentially, that's a USB serial card that this plugs into, and this is our actual transceiver. So what I can do, gotta watch out, this is statically sensitive. Pull that out of there. Chunk. So that goes in there like that. And then I can take this. So far this has no power whatsoever, so I'm going to plug this in. By the way, when I do this, I want to show you one other thing. So if I come up here and look at Device Manager, just kind of watch around in this area and you'll see this thing as it gets added. So now what I'm going to do is plug this into my USB port, and I heard a little click there. I don't know if you did. That sounds like something happened inside here. And on the screen I now have a COM port, and it's COM3. And you may not know exactly what this is, doesn't really matter, but I mean you'll see it, so we can plug some values in here pretty soon. This is working at 9600 baud, 8 data bits, none, 1. That's what the book said to set it up as, so that's kind of the reason we're doing that. And the 2. Okay, and what I can do is run a program that will allow me to talk to this thing over the COM. This is PuTTY. And notice I'm using COM3, 9600 baud, data serial, 9600, 8, 1, none, or 8, none, 1. That was what was set up back here. 9600, 8, none, 1, essentially. And it's about the same thing, so I'm going to just hit open. You really can't see anything going on right now. But what's happening is this guy is just waiting for something to happen. So let's pull up our cards. These are the RFID cards that come with it, and there are a variety of other things you can get. You can get buttons and things like that, and we might actually invest in some of the buttons, but I think we're actually going to have them sent to us. So each one of these things has like a 6-byte value attached to it. And the way that I can read that value is to use the reader. There we go. Notice what came up on the COM screen. Blah, right there. Okay, so I can just do this over and over to my heart's content. And if I pull up the other card, and it's happening at about 2.5 inches. So if we do an inventory system, the cards are going to have, or the stickers or whatever, are going to have to be up pretty much on the front of the device, at least with this guy right here. So I think that gets us going. I guess the next thing we just really need to discuss is some sort of database system. I don't think I have access up here still, do I? Word, blah, 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 blah. Oop. Kill that. Actually, I didn't want to kill that just yet. I hope it didn't go away. Nope, it didn't. what I want to do is keep one of these card numbers. This is assigned to that card, one of those cards anyway. And bring up access, and I start off some sort of database that tracks inventory. I don't really want assets. Sample templates. Issues, marketing, Northwind, none of the above. Time and billing, small business, come on. Hey, a product inventory database of some sort. That sounds cool. Close out of this. So, bottom line, just get into this and person. Enable content, and realistically, I have to do her again. I'm going to close out of this one and then open these up. And so it's got some sort of inventory of some sort here. So if I open that and just look directly at the table, you got ID field, you got product, reorder level, blah. What I want to do is come into some point here and insert a new field, and we're going to call this field RFID. Okay, and then if I put in that from the tag, yeah, if I put in the tag, so that, let's say this is putty. I know it's here. So this is this value belongs to this card. I'm going to take that and then dump it into here. So then, like, one of these devices, this Northwind Traders chai, now has this RFID. If I were to take this thing out and scan it on some chai, theoretically it would relate it to this product. So now we just need to figure out how to use that to keep track of inventories. I mean, do we just have it read a tag on a box and then type in a number saying we have 22 of these things, which means, you know, somewhere over here we have the amount that we have, minimum quantity, shrinkage, on hand. So do we have it just, you know, set on hand, or what? How do we want to do that? So anyway, that's the idea, and hopefully this video works this time. Talk to you later. Bye.